Hi, welcome to ASC 4630 Propulsion Fundamentals. I'll be a professor for this 8-week fast track starting on October the 15th. We'll go until the end of the fall term here at Polk State College. My name is Dr. Aaron Judy. I'll be a professor for this course. The 8-week course moves quite quickly. You will need the book because all the homework problems are in the back of the book. The course flow is pretty standard. You'll have some readings that will be required from you, a lecture to watch, and then a homework assignment. All assignments will be due by Sunday by 11:59 p.m. unless otherwise stated in Canvas. You'll have a midterm sort of slash quiz. It's not really a midterm exam, more of a quiz check on week 4. You'll have a small propulsion project to do. More will come about that later. And then you'll have a comprehensive final exam in the course. The course does move by quickly, so it is extremely important that you stay up to date with the course. If you fall behind in a fast track course, it's very, very difficult to catch back up. If you have any questions, all of my contact information is in the syllabus. Please take a moment, review that, introduce yourselves in the introduction student discussion forum, and start the first readings and homework assignment for week 1 in jet propulsion. Again, I welcome you to the course, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you, and good luck. Bye-bye.